Hello my friends, my name is Mohammed Naveed and in this lecture I am going to teach you real, present and future condition. In order to learn this, we need to see the usage. So here we have the usage. It shows real, present and future situation. It shows real, present and future situation. Now it's time to see the structure. So the structure is here. If subject plus verb first form plus object plus subject plus can, may, will, verb word plus object. Now it's time to see the example. So the example is here. If you speak English, you can, may, will or learn English. If you speak English, you can, may, will or learn English. So definitely what is real, present and future? This is a real, na? In the present, it means if you do something good in present, so definitely you will get the best result in future. So this is called real present and real future. Getting me? So if you speak English, you can, may, will learn English. And if you don't know what is mean by can, if you don't know how to use may, if you don't know what is mean by will, so definitely in my website www.naveedplus.com I have made all the tutorials or lectures on can, may or will. So you should go and definitely watch my videos. So definitely if they're totally up to you whether you use can, may, will. Getting me? So if you see the structure, so here we have first if, then we have you, subject. What do you mean by subject? Subject may doer. It can be me, it can be you, it can be naveedplus.com, it can be he, it can be she, it can be anybody. Then we have verb first form. Here verb form is speak, learn. If I say speak, learn, dance, walk, run, these are called verb, because a word which is used to indicate that is called verb, and here we have speak. Then we have object. Object means on which we do work. For example, if I say here, if you speak, but if I don't use object, so will you get the proper meaning of this sentence? No, you won't. Why? Because if you say that if you speak what? If you speak what? If you speak Punjabi, if you speak Marathi, if you speak Memni, what? Getting me? So if I say object, so you are no more confused. Definitely then we have subject again, and definitely according to the say we have to use and verb. This is the verb first form, but it is that kind of verb first form, it never changes. Getting me? And definitely learn, and then object is English. So this was lecture on real, present and future condition. I hope you have understood. For more videos, lecture and exercises, come to my website www.naveedplus.com. Allah Hafiz, and I will meet you in the next lecture. Till then, Allah Hafiz.